This is really painting.
That's not what they're for, though, right? What's she doing?
And this is the water table. This is for coloring, so you can do craft to take home. And these are the boys playing.
Students and their families not only are part of the school community and the activities, but they also become familiar with the building and the surrounding and the playground. So students come in, they are used to where their classroom is, they get to know where all of the other classrooms in the school are, where the library or the learning commons, the gym, all of those places which are a part of our school community, but can maybe be a little bit intimidating for younger students. When they're coming at 3 and 4 years old, by the time they get to kindergarten, grade one, they're very familiar with the learning commons. They know the people who are there. They understand the expectations of those spaces. They know how the gym works. They're familiar with our playground. So all of those routines have already been built, which just creates that sense of comfort, belonging. And so there isn't that anxiety or concern or worry when they move on to kindergarten or grade one.
I chose to put our daughter into early learning because of the school community. There's access to the gymnasium, the playgrounds, the outdoor field space, which you might not get with a smaller private setting. And I just think it's just so wonderful to have all those experiences. Also, the availability of speech or anything that the knowledgeable staff might suggest, like, hey, have you thought of this or tried this? Can we do this with your child? And it's just so wonderful to have all the huge team behind the kids in early learning. And my daughter has just flourished, and the staff is so amazing. And I almost get like goosebumps just because I'm so thankful for, and it's just been wonderful.